Bonjour! Today I will teach you how to cook. It's a great source of protein, fiber, antioxidant, and much more. So let's start. So I have my strainer on my scale. My scale is at 0. And I will measure 180 grams. There we go, almost there. Perfect. Then I will rinse the rice. There we go. So I will rinse it well. Excellent. And then I will cook it in my Instant Pot. And I simply have to add, so it's 1 part of rice, 2 of water. So we did 180 grams. So now I will add 360 of water. As simple as that. And then it will go in the Instant Pot that I have right here. And put the lid, of course, and everything. And then there is a rice function. But the key with the wild rice is that you leave it. So once it's cooked, leave it in the pressure cooker, or the Instant Pot, sorry, for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It keeps opening up. So I'll show you at the end what it looks like. I just wanted to show you the rice is ready. Can you see? Look, it's all fluffy. It all, like, you know, opened up, blossomed up. Well, actually, I will, there you go. I will put some in a bowl so you can see. Just, there we go. There. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? And nutritious and delicious. Enjoy.